What you eating there, Mama?
He eating the boxes.
What you eating there, Mama?
Hey! His name is Cebas.
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 Cebas? Which one is is called Cebas? Is the question. I think it's this one.
I think it's that one.
Cebas! Hi, Mama!
Oh, he dropped it!
Mama, you dropped it! I don't want to take a picture of him because he looks so sweet and he looks like he's sad.
Hey!
Huh?
Hey, look at this!
Look at this! Look at this monkey right here. You see this monkey?
Hey, look over there!
Come on, let's go over there. Come on, let's go. Say bye.
Bye.
Let's go say hi to this one. Oh, look at the white one over there.
What is there? The itchy.
Ooh.
Hey, that's swing.
Oh, look at him. Whoa. 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 Wow.
Hey, the man looking over
He's
there.
amazing. Look at him go. Look at him roll.
Told you. I told you.
Oh, man. Are you guys seeing this? Showing us his tricks, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Pretty gnarly, huh?